Are you tired of dealing with pesky pimples on your face? Here are some tips and tricks to help you get rid of them for good. First and foremost, it's important to keep your face clean. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and bacteria that can clog your pores and cause breakouts. Avoid harsh scrubbing, as this can irritate the skin and make acne worse. In addition to regular cleansing, using a non-comedogenic moisturizer can help balance oil production and keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Look for products with ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to target acne specifically. When it comes to treating existing pimples, you can use over-the-counter spot treatments containing ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. These products can help reduce inflammation and speed up the healing process. For a more natural approach, you can try applying a dab of tea tree oil or aloe vera gel directly onto the pimple. These ingredients have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness and swelling. It's also important to avoid picking or popping pimples,
as this can lead to
scarring and further spread of bacteria. Instead, try using a warm compress to help bring the pimple to a head and then gently extract the pus with a sterile needle. Finally, maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle can also play a role in preventing and treating acne. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep can all contribute to clearer skin. By following these tips and tricks, you can effectively get rid of pimples on your face and achieve a clearer, healthier complexion. Remember to be patient and consistent with your skincare routine, as it may take time to see results.